Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make TalkBack floating shortcut more transparent and how to make it less transparent in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to open our phone settings. Next, we need to scroll down to Accessibility and Convenience menu, then at the top Accessibility. Next, we need to tap the Vision tab, and at the top we have TalkBack. So in the TalkBack, we are looking for the shortcut option. Here is our shortcut. We have it enabled. Here it is, our floating shortcut button. Then we need to go to this option here where it says more options. And now we're looking for the fade option that we can enable using the switch. And here we have transparency slider. As you can see, we can make it more less transparent, or we can make it less transparent using this here. And that's all. Goodbye.